See that one? It was like, whoa! I saw a planet. Did you see a planet? Circle.
I like those circle ones.
Whoa! Whoa! That was a planet! Yay! Whoa! I saw a butterfly! A heart! That was a heart!
Totally was a heart.
Whoa! If we were closer, this would have been much better. But this is awesome.
Stars. Look at the stars.
Whoa! Why do they always have to do fireworks at night?
Because you can't see them during the day.
Whoa! Green glitter. I call it green glitter because it's green and it looks like glitter. I like it how it goes like bigger, like it's coming right towards you. Oh, there's one. And oh, that one. Did you see that one?
That one was a neat shape.
It sparkles. They're not doing it a lot this time. Whoa. Yay! Whoa. Whoa. That was cool. Yay! Yay, yay, yay! Smoke. Why is there smoke?
Because the fireworks.